Formax presents the FD324 Desktop Document Folder. The FD324 is an economical large format folder ideal for any small organization with folding needs. The FD324 folds documents at speeds of up to 8,600 sheets per hour and can process paper up to 18 inches long by 12 inches wide. Its easy load drop-in feed system has a capacity of up to 500 sheets, reducing the frequency of reloading. The FD324 completes folding tasks in no time and features 3 feed tires for accurate, consistent feeding. The FD324 is pre-marked with common fold settings in 11-inch, 14-inch, and 17-inch sizes. It features a belt-driven conveyor stacker with outfeed wheels to keep folded documents in neat sequential order. Fold setup and outfeed wheel charts are conveniently located on the operator's side cover to identify where each fold plate should be set and where the stacker wheels should be positioned. These charts remove any guesswork. The FD324 also includes a 3-digit counter to keep track of the number of sheets folded. The auto batch mode allows for a set number of sheets to be folded with a pause in between sets for effortless handling. The FD324 is easy to set up right out of the box. Simply set the folder on a level, sturdy surface, lower the catch tray, open the feed table extension, and insert the fold plates. Next, set the fold plates using the fold chart mentioned earlier. Adjust the outfeed stacker wheels with the help of the decal, and then load the documents to be folded and press start. In no time, the documents will have crisp, accurate folds, ready for further processing. The FD324 is constructed with a heavy-duty steel frame and metal side covers for durability. Designed with ease of operation in mind, the Formax FD324 offers an unmatched level of performance and affordability, making it ideal for small businesses, churches, and schools.